Over the next 2 weeks, we'll be sailing my uncle and auntie's 40-foot catamaran intrigue across more than 400 nautical miles of open ocean. There'll be 9 of us on board, my little cousins, my uncle and auntie, my parents, Lucy, and I. We're all in the same boat, heading in the same direction, but on the search for something different. Some of us are here for good waves, and some of us for good hikes. Some to catch the best fish, and some just to observe them. But we all come together to create lifelong memories as a family. All packed. Essentials. Bag.
Then we'll leave those and righty-o.
What's the target species? Tuna.
Wahoo, kingfish.
Yep. Yeah. Did you see him taking you for absolute sick or what?
I've got to strip the line.
How much line you got on there?
600 meters.
What's the last colour? Oh, it's not going to slow it down. This is a big fish. Let it slow it down a bit. This will slow it down. Go. This would be the biggest tuna.
Holy crap.
Screecher in. Hold on, big fella. Hold on. This is a big tuna. This is the biggest tuna you're probably ever going to see.
I think this thing's going to take all that line. It's nearly got on the line.
That reel's so high.
Yeah, that reel's absolutely.
Yeah, mate, it's smoking.
Oh, that actually was so hot.
Yeah. Did you get a bit?
This,
It feels like just a big dead weight.
it's probably the biggest tuna ever. Just like,
Hey, I don't reckon you're going to. The only way to get him is go uphill on him. It's like it's like
This is a huge-
sea container.
this is a huge fish.
Just feels dead. Mate, proceed.
It's a big fish.
Try and do that.
It's a huge fish. Crazy.
No more trolling. This place is fucked.
Far out. I dropped the only fish that we got close to. I think it was a blue whale.
Horrible. Got something that almost had to pull the reel and then it snapped the line.
Yeah. Not too much wind. Glassy out, so we got the motors on. You probably can't even hear me. Can you hear me? Can you hear me in there? Alright, I know all about sailing, but I've learnt so far that this is a screecher, this is the jib, this is the mainsail, and you have sets of ropes that take the sail out, and take it in. The blue one, I think, here, takes it back in. Red one takes it out. After 3 nights at sea and more than 400 nautical miles sailed, it was time to finally step off the boat. We dropped the girls ashore to get a feel for the land, while we set off on a mission to study the ocean and scout the reef passages that surrounded us. This is where we'll be spending the next 7 days searching for waves. Get out there, Sonny.
How's that one you had before? Good one? First left on a reef boat? Hell yeah! That one was kind of a little.
This name, that name, that name.
Oh no, that'll be alright. Oh, fine.
Another day on the boat, in the books. It's a fun day. Oh, such a fun day. Frothing. The next few days were packed with activity from dusk till dawn. Most hours were spent in the ocean, watching my cousins surf as their love for it grew. And diving the reefs of Lucy, taking in all the raw beauty of the coral. We'd sneak in early morning hikes before the heat kicked in. Everyone was slowly ticking off their bucket list. But if your bucket list included catching a massive fish, well, you might have been feeling a bit flat like Sonny and I. We had a string of uneventful fishing missions, pulling in nothing more than a few wrasse, some reef fish and a handful of sharks. At one point I swear Sonny did over 1,000 casts in a single day. He was definitely deserving of a fish by now. It wasn't the fishing that we came out here expecting. Maybe the water was too warm, maybe it was the full moon, or maybe it was just because we're in the middle of nowhere, with no estuary systems for the fish to spawn. We had tried every bait and every lure in our tackle box, but we had one last trick up our sleeve. It was time to get the girls involved. They always had the magic touch. Is Lucy going to catch a fish?
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
That's it. Well done, sweet.
Yeah, see. Yay.
I reckon it's a fish, eh?
How was that, Evie? As soon as it got in there.
Big spango, come on.
Come on.
Come on.
That's it, keep bringing it
Go,
up.
go, go. You're doing great.
He's on some
Need a
flies.
bright torch. What is this thing?
Oh,
Go, go.
yeah.
Keep going, keep going.
Swimming, ain't ya?
Keep going, keep going, keep winding.
Oh, keep winding.
Oh, it's a squid. It's the huge squid underneath. Huge squid. Oh, it's a shark down the bottom too. Oh my god, Steve just got
Oh my
the
God.
squid.
Well done,
Great
Evie.
job, Steve. Oh my god. Keep winding. Keep winding, keep
I don't
winding.
like sharks.
Keep winding.
I don't like sharks.
You got it, you got it.
You're alright.
That's the squid that I saw just before.
Oh my goodness.
Draw that in on that line.
Wait, it's sharks.
Great
I
job,
don't
Eve.
like sharks.
Oh shit.
Bucket,
Bucket, bucket. Oh,
Sorry, Eve.
There's that there. Giant.
Dad just old boyed that thing with the net. Nothing pretty.
I just got the dog.
Yeah.
Oh, fuck this barbecue. I'm fucking slapping it.
Oh, that's Steve. Is that alive? Does it have any?
Alright. Who's on here?
Me.
Alright. See you lot. Just hold on to it.
Sit her down and
Oh yeah! Go, lot! Go, Russell's!
Go, Jugsy.
get the dog.
Go!
Go, mate.
Go! Go, keep going!
Go, fella.
Yeah!
Go, mate.
That's it.
Oh yeah!
Go, Jugso.
Oh yeah!
Come on, girl.
What do you reckon you got, little fella?
Oh,
Shark.
Shark.
yep, walk over here. Oh, up here, over here. Go, stand here.
Why, Woody?
Oh, I wonder what it is.
Uh-oh, that's...
Oh, it's a shark.
Run.
You're burning,
Run.
Yes, mate.
Get here.
Go, keep going, keep going.
Hi, Woody.
Yes, lad. It's right there, mate.
Go, you're doing great.
Oh, it's right here.
Sonny.
Oh.
Yeah, we got him. There you
Chip, I
Oh, it's a
think.
little Galapagos.
go. Oh, my GoPro just ran out of charge.
On the grid.
Oh,
There you go.
Lottie.
Yeah.
Nice. Box of squid too.
How much?
Good work, little people. Good work, Sonny.
Oh, look at this.
It's kind
Oh, yeah, that's a big one.
He's a big one. He's been eating around a bit.
Show me the white. Oh, there's another one.
Oh, that one's big.
That one has
Wow.
a big head.
You're not wanting to get one.
Oh, there's another one over there on the
Oh,
top.
big feeding. That's a big one, eh?
Oh, there's another one there too. Oh, what?
Oh.
Oh, they're busting the squid up.
No, that's a garfish. Go back onto the shark.
Orange.
Oh, the Gary's. Oh, look. Oh, he's coming after the Gary. Oh, look.
I'm gonna try and get a video of me making a garfish.
I'm gonna light up the garf. Oh, that's a big
It's
one.
an aquatic wonderland.
Oh, look at right under there.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, I got one. Oh, I got one. I got one.
Yes, bring it over here. Bring it over here.
Oh,
Yes, dog.
first try, I just got one.
Yes. Look at this thing. Oh, there's a bit more light on you.
That thing stinks.
That was a great effort, man. Really good effort.
Sharks about.
Rex Hunt reckons if you grab it and pull it, you should get all its scales.
Oh,
look at that.
Dust.
All the scales come off and it's nice and shiny.
We're all learning something new here tonight.
Yep. Next step.
I'm fine with that.
Let the guts out.
It's all green.
I asked Jacob if he wanted one.
That's alright, I'm happy.
And he
Keep
just
it
gives
clean
me
in the ocean. Thanks, Steve.
Do you even like feather
Yeah, that's not bad.
tennis? Watch out for sharks. Oh, that comes out easily.
We've got the scales off. And we've got the guts out. So now we need to roll it flat to get the bones. Yeah, I reckon that's the bone.
You can hear it cracking.
Right. I'll peel that nice bit off there. This is the fillet that we're left with. It's not bad. There might be some small little bones in it still.
So what was the key to get that, cut that further down?
Crush the yeah, I reckon cutting it just below the fins gives a nicer fillet, but really crushing the whole backbone. It's a pretty nice little piece of fish. Yeah. What's in the barbie, Dad?
Got beef still.
Barbie works good there.
Yeah,
Carry on there. Oh, that's not the greatest. Oh, yeah, there we go. That's right.
There's no fat on it. Nah, it's still a bit raw.
There we go. I'm super excited to see what this actually tastes like. Yeah, that's catch and cook off the back of the boat. It is kind of like a squid.
Oh, really?
That's what it felt like when you're putting the fork in it.
Oh, random.
Random? Weird?
It's not bad. It's just kind of random. A bit rubbery.
Full of bones.
Yeah.
The texture's fine.
The texture's pretty
Is
good.
it fishy texture?
No, not at all.
Very salty.
That might have been the chef.
It's very
Did you put salt on it?
similar
I'll put some
flavour
salt
to
on it, yeah.
tonight's dinner. Good, I like it.
Yeah, it's not bad.
It's not bad.
Not bad at
I
all.
would not eat it. I would eat
I would
it.
eat it.
I would eat it.
I'd just get if we get a better recipe for it.
Yeah.
Where's all these gone?
After tonight's fishing session with the girls, we sat there sharing the garfish, picking out the bones that I'd missed. It got me thinking. Even the girls' magic touch couldn't land anything but sharks, and there seemed to be no shortage of them in this coral reef ecosystem. Between the 8 of us snorkeling, fishing and surfing the past few days, we'd all noticed the same thing: low numbers of solid reef fish in the lagoons. I mentioned earlier that maybe it was the water temp, the full moon, or lack of estuaries for reproduction. But I'm starting to wonder, is there an imbalance of sharks in this reef system, causing lower numbers of reef fish? It could just be that we suck at fishing, but let me know your thoughts in the comments. Either way, it was time to crash out. Come back next week for a raw look at the best day on the boat.